Okay, today Doroteo is going to open his Star Wars Star Destroyer Slam and Race Launcher. It's by Hot Wheels, and he's excited to get it opened up, and we'll open it up and see what it looks like here. Looks like at the back here. This is the back of it again. Star Wars Destroyer Slam and Race Launch Set. And it comes with a couple cars for it. And it's by Disney and Hot Wheels. Battle Rollers. That's what it's called. The race is on. Says open here. That was easier than most stuff to open. Here's the instructions. And we'll get all the different parts out.
You fixed it.
I haven't fixed it yet.
This is going to push the bolts into a bit of a hole.
Then you'll have this thingy to race.
So Chris Milton is no aid for the Colts.
Yeah, no doubt about this one. And he was kind of protecting the drivers from getting caught up with the big contrast.
Marlon Mack being looked at for a possible concussion, which means Hines and Wilkins is the
Ooh, you can.
and luck plays out here to Hines. Good job here.
Pete Alonso must have thought he stepped out of bounds right here. Sure tackler, and he was just trying to shove him instead of tackling. And Hines did a great job of staying.
Hines
Let's see who he get here.
for a couple.
Looks like Han Solo, but I can't
Change your approach now with your number
tell.
one, Marlon Mack, who did a lot for this offense, sideline.
Well, I think, number one, it takes away some of those runs that we saw in the last series. Hines being better positioned than he is a runner. At least what we've been able to see just opportunities.
And Chester Rogers thrown up short of the 40-yard line. Once again, JP and made in New York.
Denver, 14 unanswered. That's right. If you want to drill it in, you grab your Phillips in. That's Phillips Lindsay.
Wow.
He gets in, dive right up. Broncos lead 24-17. Back to Greg Gumbel.
And Fred Reed is fond of saying, how about that?
That was a really poor job by Chester Rogers. Unlike the running backs who caught the ball once more, he caught it backed up. He had the first down.
Third and one. Luck will go for it. And the number one open. 30.
Looks like 5 steps to complete this. There's a couple stickers that need to go on. As you see, Doroteo likes to put stuff his own way here.
And they get into a stack position. Sometimes he struggles with who's got who. They jumped T.Y. Hilton on the crossing route after they got a stack right there, and he was wide open.
Yes, a good punt.
I think he was supposed to have a sit down. He got underneath linebacker and then moved to that next window. This is Hines inside 20. Rashad Jones with the stop. 5:20 to play. And it's 2nd and 1. Going back to that 3rd down, it almost looked like Hines was trying to get out to the flat. T.Y. was going to sit underneath, and then you have a corner over the top. So a little combo read. T.Y. saw what was going on and took advantage of the middle of the field. Again. And Hines, 2 about the 12. Team throwing here in the 2nd half to the end zone. For the touchdown. Touchdown maker, Eric.
There it is. Come on.
Trent, I thought the ball was intercepted. That was such a tight throw into that little seam route.
Critical extra point right here. And Doroteo nails it right
Okay.
in the middle. This is the 3rd one of the day. Kind of important. You're tied at 24.
I'm Ray, and I quit smoking with Chantix. I tried to quit smoking for years on my own. I couldn't do it. I needed help. For me, Chantix worked.
Where'd that go to?
It did.
Chantix with support helps you quit smoking.
Chantix, without a doubt, reduced my urge to smoke.
When you try to quit smoking, with or without Chantix, you may have nicotine withdrawal symptoms. Some people have changes in behavior or thinking, aggression, hostility, agitation, depressed mood, or suicide interactions with Chantix. Serious side effects may include seizures, new or worse heart or blood vessel problems, sleepwalking, or allergic and skin reactions.
Where's the other piece that was sitting
Stop
there,
Chantix and get
Doroteo?
help right away if you have any of these.
Do you have it?
Tell your healthcare provider if you've had depression or other mental health problems. Decrease it while taking Chantix.
I've seen
Use
that.
caution when driving or operating.
This is the good guy. And here's the bad guy. So the good guy is trying to get away from the bad guy.
Numbers on the Colts touchdown drive. What a game of streaks this has been. The Colts scoring 13 points in the game. Miami scored the next 17. The Colts scored the last 10 in a row.
Or you can put him here, put your guy there,
My God.
and smack it right there. Alright. If we were on the ground or something, they could roll further, but
You don't think much of that penalty after but they gave him a
smack
chance
it.
to do the kick.
Alright.
20.
Go.
Now they get the penalty, so the Dolphins are going to be starting back around 5.
Alright, as you see, this is complete now. You smack this part down and it shoots the cars out that way. Up here, it talks about the chase, that they can chase each other. And as you see, they just kind of fall into place and you can hit it.
Personal foul, illegal team block. That penalty declined. Holding the return, number 44.
What do you think, Doroteo?
To the goal line.
It's awesome.
It's awesome?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Well, as you see, we're going to rate this as being awesome per Doroteo. So you like it that much?
Yes.
Alright. So we're going to recommend this for kids. It's got the little rolly ball on the bottom. It's not wheels like the Hot Wheel cars, but even though it works pretty good. I think Doroteo's going to have fun playing with it. Hold on. Don't smack it with my fingers there. Smack it. Oh.
I did get it.
So you had to put it down on the floor, go in the kitchen where the floor is smoother. But he's going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. Feel free to ask us any questions you would like. All right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content.
Please leave a comment.
Like this.